Ginger, a superfood with incredible health benefits.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Today, we're going to talk about ginger, a superfood that has been used for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes.
Ginger has a rich history and is known for its powerful health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the history of ginger and its benefits for the body, mind, and soul. So, let's get started. The history of ginger.
Ginger has a long and fascinating history that dates back to ancient times. The spice is believed to have originated in Southeast Asia and was first cultivated in China over 5,000 years ago. It then spread to India, the Middle East, and eventually Europe, where it became an important commodity for trade. Ginger was highly valued for its medicinal properties, and it was commonly used in traditional medicine to treat a wide range of ailments. In Ayurveda, ginger is known as Vishwavesaj, which means universal medicine, and it is used to treat digestive issues, inflammation, and respiratory problems.
Ginger also played an important role in the spice trade.
In the 16th century, Portuguese traders brought ginger to Europe, where it quickly became popular as a spice for cooking and baking.
Health benefits of ginger.
Ginger has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern research has confirmed many of its health benefits.
Let's take a look at some of the incredible health benefits of ginger.
Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and diabetes.
Digestive health. Ginger is well known for its ability to soothe the digestive system.
It can help relieve nausea, bloating, and constipation. Ginger can also help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Pain relief. Ginger has natural pain-relieving properties and can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body.
It has been shown to be effective in reducing menstrual cramps, muscle pain, and osteoarthritis pain.
Immune system boost. Ginger contains antioxidants, which can help boost the immune system and protect the body against disease. It can also help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to many chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Brain function. Ginger has been shown to have beneficial effects on brain function. It can improve memory, attention, and reaction time, and may even help protect against age-related decline in brain function.
Weight loss. Ginger can help with weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing appetite.
It has been shown to be effective in reducing body weight and body mass index, BMI, in overweight people. Cancer prevention. Ginger contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties.
It can help inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells and may even help enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy. How to incorporate ginger into your diet. Now that we've talked about the incredible health benefits of ginger, let's discuss some ways to incorporate it into your diet.
Ginger tea. One of the easiest ways to enjoy ginger is by drinking ginger tea. Simply steep fresh ginger root in hot water for a few minutes and add honey or lemon to taste. Ginger tea can be enjoyed hot or cold and is a great way to start your day or unwind after a long day. Smoothies and juices. Ginger can also be added to smoothies and juices for an extra nutritional boost.
Simply blend fresh ginger with your favorite fruits and vegetables to create a delicious and healthy drink.
Stir-fries and curries. Ginger is a common ingredient in many Asian stir-fries and curries. It adds a unique flavor and aroma to the dish and can also provide numerous health benefits. Baked goods. Ginger can also be used in baking, especially in sweet treats like gingerbread and cookies. Adding ginger to baked goods not only enhances the flavor but also provides additional health benefits. Ginger is truly a superfood with incredible health benefits.
From its rich history to its numerous medicinal properties, ginger has been used and valued for centuries.
Incorporating ginger into your diet is easy and can provide a range of health benefits, from reducing inflammation to improving brain function. So, next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to add some ginger to your favorite dishes or drinks.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.